So I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable sports mode on your TCL Google TV. So what you want to do is go into settings. Under settings, scroll down to system, select that. Under system, scroll down all the way to the bottom, almost the bottom, and you should see sports mode. So this is a mode that's better for watching sports program. So you can enable it from here or you can disable it from here. Okay, now when you enable it, it's going to change a few things on your TV: brightness, colors, and also it's going to also change the sound to be more surround, so you can enjoy sports even better. But that's basically how to enable and disable that feature. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.